I got more complaints. Neighbors. Yeah, the neighbors. They said you yell every time they walk by with the dog. You cannot yell out the window at the dogs. Dude, we don't have that many neighbors. They walk by with their dogs. You can't be yelling and screaming at them. Yeah, no, you don't own the road. You're in the house in your cage. Just because you see them walking by, you can't start screaming at them. What were you thinking? Every day I get texts from them. Tango's yelling at my dog. You can't yell. Yeah, they walk by your house. It's a public road. Well, no. It hurts their feelings. You can't hurt the doggy's feelings. They thought you were friends with them.